You'll be walking forward and backward
many times.
Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, I have prepared what is known as Rumba Walks. And Rumba Walks is pretty important since in International Rumba choreographies, you'll be walking forward and backward many times. So without further ado, let's get to it. Before we try this practice to the music, I'm going to show you guys how to do this practice properly. For your ease of learning, I'm going to stand off to the side. In order for us to begin our Rumba Walks, we are going to begin with what is known as back check. Back check is basically when you're stepping back with the right foot, replace weight to the left, and step forward with the right. We're going to take 2 sets of 3 steps, meaning left, right, left, set number 1, right, left, right, set number 2. This time, it is time for us to try the forward check, which is left foot forward, replace weight to the right, and we're going to step back with the left foot. Let's go ahead and do 2 sets of 3 steps backwards, starting with the right foot. Right, left, right, set number 1, left, right, left, set number 2. From here, we begin from the very top again. Back check with the right foot, back check, forward, forward. 2 sets of walking forward. 1, 2, 3, set number 1, 2, 2, 3, set number 2. Forward check with the left foot, check, go, back. 2 sets of walking back. 1, 2, set number 1, 2, 2, set number 2. And repeat over and over again. When it comes to Rumba Walks forward and back, it's really important for us to straighten out our legs, especially at the point of count. For International Rumba, we are traveling during 2, 3, and 4. It is consisted of quick, slow, which is 2, 3, 4, 1. So we are going to go ahead and step forward at 2, and at 2 count, both my legs are straightened out. So let me demonstrate it from the side way for you guys so you can see. From the check, both knees are straightened out. As I walk, while I'm brushing my leg across, my knee is bent on the traveling leg. But as I land, my knees are getting locked, straightened out on both sides. Same thing for the other leg. Travel, bent, straight. Travel, bent, straight, travel, straight. So make sure whenever you guys are traveling along, graze your toes on the ground to add elegance, as well as straightening of the knees as you finish your line for each walk. Another count that is important is the Cuban and pendulum motion. When you're walking, guys, make sure to incorporate your pendulum motion, squeezing of the waist, and finishing of the Cuban motion, which basically means your hip is moving forward, side, back, in order to allow your other leg to travel forward. I'm going to demonstrate it for you guys looking toward you, so it's easy for you guys to kind of see that. I'm going to step forward, and using whatever the leg is planted, I'm going to squeeze that side of the waist, creating a nice pendulum motion, and drop the other hip down. That way my leg can travel forward, raising my toe forward. And as the other leg is traveling, I'm going to use my Cuban motion to travel forward. Again, my pendulum motion gets activated, and Cuban motion allow my leg to travel forward. Imagine someone is giving you the boost traveling forward as you walk forward. So there is a momentum boost as you're walking and traveling forward. Now it is time for us to try together to the music. Make sure your posture is up, feeling elevated. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4, check, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3,
You're a masterpiece.
4, back
My
check.
clothes look real good on your t-shirt with the rainbow stripe. And our time is a luxury. Oh, so sweet your company. Let's get each other up to speed. I can see the vista of your heels, then a silhouette up on the still. Dolly brush stroke with the canvas.
Thank you so much guys for joining me today. I hope you guys had fun trying out the Rumba walks with me. And if you like our videos, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos. Bye!
Symphony, souls connect so physically, yeah.